Hey guys, Dotson Guys here with MarineMax Charleston. Today I'm on our 2019 215 XSF from Scout Boats. As you can tell from this forward entry, it has got a beautiful layout in the nose. It's one off as far as the industry goes. You get 4 forward-facing backrests. So you got 2 seats up here in the U seating, as well as a nice large lounge that you can accommodate 2 people as well. What you get with this big lounge is huge day storage, but also an insulated cooler box. So if you do so choose to go fishing, you can use it as a fish box, and it's plumbed and drained there as well. We have storage under both sides on the port and starboard on the front seats here. These backrests are removable. We have the sport option on this boat, so this includes the forward backrest, our T-top here, as well as our aft seat, which we'll show you in a little bit. This boat also has the optional bow-mounted cup holders, our anchor locker there. And moving to the back, not too many people get to see the inside of the console, but if you don't select the porter-led option, you get a nice large storage to facilitate all your toys and needs. Moving at the helm, we've got the standard flip seats. Those pivot nicely. We also have a standard Fusion stereo with Bluetooth and a Sirius XM ready. We have the optional trim tabs. Tiltable helm is standard with the nice upgraded steering wheel. Digital tacks, cup holders, glove box with charging ports and USB chargers. In our T-top, we have a standard T bag for your life jacket storage, and as well as an aft spreader light, including the rocket launchers. Down below on the backside of our leaning post, cup holders, rod holders, and the standard cooler. Here's that aft seat we were mentioning. So this is in the down position, so if you are fishing or maneuvering around, nice and easy to get through, but easily deployed for storage and for seating. You have your live well in the back corner here, rod holders across the back. We also have the optional fresh water system on this boat, as well as our quick disconnect hookup there. So guys, that sums up the interior options we have on this 215. We'll take you outside and show you the hull. Alrighty guys, we're on the outside of the boat now. We have this one in the optional black hull color, the two-tone. You can see with the powder-coated T-top, it all complements itself very nicely. As we move to the transom, Scout is very proud of their dual swim platforms. Not a lot of manufacturers do that, but it adds security as well as accessibility when you're at dock. There's those tucked under transom trim tabs. You're not going to interfere as you're getting in and out of the boat, but as well it doesn't interfere with the ladder as you're getting in. We have the standard 150 horsepower. This is the Yamaha, properly proportioned to the boat, and you can also upgrade that to a 200 if you feel you need larger. Hope you guys enjoyed your tour of our 2019 Scout 215 XSF. Again, if you guys have any questions, feel free to reach us out at 843-747-1889. And again, I'm Dotson with MarineMax Charleston. Thank you.